Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In front of me is a 2022 Isuzu MU-X, and just a bit of a simple video for you today. I'm going to be showing you where you top up each of the fluids, which should be your easiest part of maintenance. So first off, we're obviously going to open up the bonnet. To do this, we're going to come over the driver's side or the right hand side of the vehicle, open up the door fully and just pull this lever here, come back to the front of the car. Just above the Isuzu badge, we've got a lever that we're going to push to our left, open up the bonnet, and we're going to put this bonnet stay in that hole there. Once your bonnet's safe and secure, we're just going to have a look around the engine bay. Starting on the left here, right at the back, this is our brake fluid reservoir. Now it actually says on there we can use brake .3 or .4 brake fluid, and you want to make sure it's not above that maximum line there. Make sure you get the right fluid, just check with your local shop or wherever you're going to buy that from. Next we move across the front here, and this is our radiator. Make sure you don't ever take this off once the engine is hot, because the water is expanded and it can spray out and burn you. So only check this when the engine's cold, and you want to make sure that's filled right to the top. But what happens is we've actually got our expansion bolt here that you can open at any point. But you do want to make sure that doesn't go beyond the maximum line on the side, and make sure you use the correct coolant for that as well. Then moving round to the right hand side of the engine bay, we've got this, which is just our washer fluid solution, so you can fill that right away up to the top. And then last but not least, we've got our oil dipstick on the side here that you pull that all the way out, and then you'll see the markings on the bottom for minimum and maximum. And to top up your oil, you're just going to come to the center of the engine, and you've got this cap that just unscrews on top there, and that's where we fill up our oil, obviously checking the level with our dipstick. And there you go, that's how and where you top up each of the fluids on a 2022 Isuzu MU-X. If you found that video helpful, please give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.